Welcome to this enabling a conducive environment for e-commerce. Welcome to Module 5, Future Challenges in E-commerce Digital Technology. Course overview. So this Module 5 is the last of the 5 modules in this program. It will look at some of the future challenges and what you as executives need to be aware of so that you can plan for the appropriate action and develop the appropriate strategies for your organization. We will provide overview of future opportunities and e-commerce technologies. Future approach to digital technology. We will look at this chart. You can tell that the e-commerce and in particular digital technology has a range of emerging solutions and technologies available for manager and technologists alike. It will be worthwhile for us to review some of these technologies and see how they may be implemented in your organization so that you can not only start your e-commerce strategy, but also if you already have one, to identify how you may be able to grow to the next level of your organization's e-commerce offerings. Let's take one or two as an example. For example, mobile shopping is growing. Mobile shopping, as we have discussed earlier in this course, provides the opportunity for users to buy while traveling on their mobile phone. This has grown to an enormous level across the world and will continue to grow because of the ubiquitous nature of mobile telecommunications. Identify areas within your business that you believe you can take advantage of using mobile technologies. The role of artificial intelligence. In other words, machine learning is a phenomena that now is taking the world by storm. In other words, is now being used across multiple industries and is proving to be a game changer for the digital technology industry. It is now being used by the e-commerce providers around the world in a way that they can now take advantage of better intelligence and better data gathering. Review these other technologies that are available and many more that you can identify that could allow you to grow your business. Technology should be used as a way of competitive advantage as well as beating the competition in the delivery of products and services that you leaders are in. Future digital trends. Let's take another look at the future digital trends. One of the many emerging technologies that you need to be aware of is voice as an e-commerce channel. This technology is now fast emerging as providing easy and seamless interaction between the user need and the customer and the company providing the service. Voice, being natural, is now used as a way of ensuring that consumers are provided with not only convenience, but ease of use with the organization providing the service. See how you may be able to use voice as an e-commerce channel within your business and identify the many benefits that you believe you can derive from this technology. Another emerging future digital technology is personalization. Personalization is fast emerging, using data to identify needs and trends of consumers, their purchasing behaviors, and the manner in which they interact with the organization. The organization is now using this kind of technology to be able to better serve the customers, to better understand the customers, and build a database of the purchases that any individual has made so that they can receive personalized information the next time they interact with your organization. Without going through all of these examples, identify the ones that you believe will make an impact on your organization. It is important to not only think about the current technologies, but also future technologies so that they are ahead of the competition, and more importantly, that the competition does not destroy your business because you have been slow to identify and adapt to this new technology. Let's take a look at mobile as a medium for e-commerce. As we have seen earlier in previous modules, that the growth of mobile and related technologies will start to give not only countries, but organizations a massive advantage over the competition. We have seen how mobile technology has grown, and the e-commerce that provided on these mobile technologies has grown exponentially across the world. Mobile commerce as a digital method to grow your business is the way of the future, and every country in the world has embraced digital solutions that has mobile technologies as part of their e-commerce strategy. Ask yourself the question, which mobile solution should you be aware of and the platforms that you should be looking at so that you can take full advantage of the technology. Mobile should be one of your many delivery options that you provide to your customers. Augmented reality, e-commerce. This has emerged as a clear future technology that organizations will now embrace more over time. Augmented reality, or often called AR, is an emerging digital technology that is being used more and more by businesses to provide advanced customer experience. The technology gives greater depth of interaction with the consumers and enhances their overall buying experience. Ask the question, how will you use artificial and augmented reality to advance your business? While this is an expensive and often unknown technology for many businesses, particularly governments and startups, it is worthwhile exploring this and how you may be able to take advantage of this particular initiative. How will you incorporate this technology into your business plan, and the questions that you need to put in asking yourself, what benefit will you use? Be sure that you incorporate technologies such as augmented reality as part of your overall business plan so that they are and you are aware of the power of these emerging technologies. Let's take a look at trends in e-commerce. Trends in e-commerce is now emerging to become a multi-billion-dollar business profile. You can see some of the emerging trends in e-commerce such as omni-channel shopping, voice searching, artificial intelligence, green consumerism, and augmented reality, as well as many others that we have seen in this module. These various innovations will start to give corporations a competitive advantage that you will not see otherwise. Digital technology will provide organizations a leap into markets and products and segments with consumers that would not have been possible earlier. It will be down to both governments and organizations to ensure that you take full advantage of this technology. Ask yourself the question, what value will you bring to your organization by asking these technologies questions and to be part of the overall future strategy and the digital strategy. Explore these technologies to see how you can be part of this massive opportunity.